Hello students, today we can discuss about the quarterly portion of science subject for 8th standard students. Now for quarterly examination, how many lessons we are going to write, how many chapters we are going to write? No, 6 chapters. First chapter, what is it? No, crop protection and management. Then second chapter, what is it? No, microorganisms friend and foe. Then third chapter, synthetic fibers and plastics. Then fourth chapter, we learn about that materials, metals and non-metals. Then fifth chapter, coal and petroleum. Then sixth chapter, combustion and flame. So these are six chapters we are going to write the quarterly examination. First chapter I can give the outline of the each and every lesson. So first lesson, what is it? No, crop protection and management. This lesson is very big lesson, but you can understand, means it's very easy to learn, you can easy to study also. Okay, in this lesson what you can learn, that means we should know about that how the agriculture proceed. What are the steps we can involve in the agricultural practices that we can learn in this lesson, and what are the products we can get from that plants and animals, that also we can study in this lesson. Crop protection and management. Then what are the different types of crops, what are the different kinds of areas we can grow in that also we can study in that first lesson. Then second lesson, what is it? No, microorganisms friend and foe. We know that all the microorganisms, it's very give diseases only, that only we should know that, but we should know that some useful microorganisms also that, that's why they given that lesson friend and foe. Friend means we know that helpful, foe means it's opposite, that enemy, that only we should learn in that lesson. 5 major groups of microorganisms. What are that? Bacteria, virus, algae, fungi and protozoa. Then what are the diseases caused by that virus, bacteria, then what are the places they are located, that are all you can study in that second chapter. Then third chapter, what is that? No, synthetic fibers and plastics. In that lesson we should know that about the synthetic fibers, nylon, rayon, polyester, acrylic, about that in this lesson. Then next one, what is the plastics? What are the kinds of plastic? There are 2 kinds of plastics. What are that? Thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics. Then what are the properties of the plastic? That also we should learn in that lesson. This chapter is very interesting also. Yes. Then what are the uses of plastics? We know that nowadays we are using plastics only. Okay, in every day, each and every day we are using that. About that also we can learn in this plastic. Then disadvantage of plastic also we can learn in that lesson. So third chapter, that one. Then fourth chapter, what is it? No, materials, metals and non-metals. We know that so many metals there, sodium, potassium, iron, copper, aluminium, that we can learn that. Then what are the properties of metals? That also physical properties, chemical properties of metals as well as non-metals also. Okay, what are the physical properties? We should know that metals are good conductors, sonorous, malleability, ductility, they make it the wires easily, that are all metals are good conductors, we know that. But the same as well as non-metals, it's not insulator, it's not malleable, it's not durable. Then what are the difference between metals and non-metals? That also we can learn that in this lesson. Then what are the reactions of that acid, bases with metals as well as non-metals also, I can study in this lesson. Then next one, fifth chapter, coal and petroleum. I think so this lesson, my students are very good in this lesson. I will ask any question means in that lesson, they will tell nicely, I know about that. Coal and petroleum, in that lesson we know that exhaustible resources, inexhaustible resources. Then what are the products we are getting from that fractional distillation of petroleum. Then we can learn about that fuels, solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. Then we know about the types of coal also in this lesson. Then what are the properties, then what are the uses of that coal and petroleum, that also we can learn in this lesson. Then CNG, then natural gas, that also we can learn this lesson. Finally, what is that? No, PCRA, petroleum conservation, then association research, that also we can learn in this lesson. Combustion, then final lesson, what is the sixth lesson? Combustion and flame. In this lesson, what are the substances combust easily, what are the substances not combust easily, that also we can learn this lesson. Then fuels, what are the types of fuel, then what are the advantages of fuels, then what are the disadvantages of fuel also we can learn in this lesson. Then flame, what about that? Then finally we learn about that chemical history of candle. Then candle, in that flame, what are the flames there, what are the types involved with that, what are the parts of the flame also we can learn in this lesson. So 6 chapters we are going to write, I think so all these are all I explained before that. So you can study well, I think so. I hope you all of you attend all the questions in the chapter, all the questions are easy, I think so. Okay, so then next one, what is the pattern we are using, that one? What are that? So two types of here are going to write total marks 100 marks. First day you are going to write Google form, that means out of 40 marks. Then second day you are going to write 60 marks, that in descriptive method, writing method. In Google form we know that already we done in the pre-quarterly examination, I think so. 40 marks you are going to write, choose the correct answer only. Okay, then you can submit that, already you know about that one. Then 60 marks we are going to write SE, summative assessment, that means descriptive method, writing in the paper. Okay, then what is the method, what is the blueprint of the question paper, that also we can discuss now. Then what are the question paper pattern? First Roman, I can choose the correct answers, already we know that 5 questions I give, each question carry 1 mark, so 5 into 1 5 marks. Then fill in the blanks, 8 I can give, so 8 into 1 8 marks. Then answer in one word only, or one word or one sentence you can write for that given question. Okay, so 7 into 1 7 marks, because you are studying 8th standard, so only one word means not good, no, so that while I give what is that also I can give in that answer in one word. Then next one, fourth one, what is the answer the following 2 marks question. So how many questions I give means 10 questions, so each question carry 2 marks, so 10 into 2 20 marks we are going to write, 20 marks we can get that. Then finally fifth Roman, answer the following detailing. Okay, in this pattern you can explain that what are the given in that. Okay, not even that 2 or 3 sentences, we can passage also. When you write the question, all the question, don't write a paragraph like that. Okay, you can make a points and write means you can write that only give that good marks in that. Okay, presentation, that also very important, because you are in 8th standard, presentation ரொம்ப important kana. So for first 2 pages just you can write without striking, we can write always. Okay, then only first impression is good impression, you told that, no. So first 2 papers வந்து எப்பமே வந்து strike out பண்ணாம எழுதுனீனா கண்டிப்பா வந்து next pages if you are write wrong answers means they will give at least 1 mark 2 marks for that. Okay, so you can write that, attend all the questions. Okay, attend properly, write in neat handwriting. So all the district children, I hope all of you prepared well for the examination. So thank you very much for watching this.